When you're talking to business, the game is very different, guys. What you need is to know what their problems are. You are gonna be talking to the heads. Now, B2C and B2B, what's the difference? Business to consumer and business to business. Nasaan kayo doon? Business to business. That's your game, guys. Ang kausap ninyo is mga business owners, not consumers. If consumers ang kausap ninyo, ano ang dapat natin ibigay na way para makabili sila? If you're talking to consumers, you want yung ease. Yung ease, yung comfort, yan. Yung anytime may ganito po, di ba? Yung meron kayong, pag nag-avail kayo nito, may 10% discount kayo sa mall na ganito, o kaya sa... These are the end consumers. We call it the end consumers. But when you're talking to business, the game is very different, guys. What you need is to know what their problems are. You are gonna be talking to the heads. Sino dito yung mga head? Department heads. Dito yan, for sure. Tama ba? Dito yung mga department heads. When we're talking about department heads, guys, ano yung pinaka number one priority ng mga department heads? Solving problem. And foreseeing one. Okay? They want na walang maging problema. Kasi walang day off yung mga yan eh. Kahit sabihin mong Sunday, pag nagkaroon ng problema, tatawagan yung mga yan. So the only way to seal a deal with business owners and department heads, kung sino man yung kausap nyo na matataas ng posisyon, is to tell them that we got your back. Wala kang magiging problema sa ako bahala sa'yo. Tell them some problems and scenarios that you guys encountered with other businesses that they did not even think about. Tama?